Alright, 7 a.m. Woke up quick at about noon. Just thought that I had to be in Compton soon. You said what?
I woke up right at 7.
Yeah, same. Woke up at 7. We got USDC fun run days. About to get there for driver's meeting at 8:30, which is early as balls.
Put it on his fucking door once or twice.
As long as I leave with somewhat doors and I can shut my doors, I'll be fine.
I hope you leave with somewhat of a fucking car.
You know, fuck you. No, it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get some tandems in, have some fun. First ever drift event without having to fly drones, which is weird but cool as fuck. So I'm looking forward to that. And I guess we'll see how it fucking goes. Alright, it's 6:59 p.m.
Yeah, we're calling it quits.
Yeah, hell yeah. Rain like a motherfucker.
It's not fun to drive anymore.
You completely blinded. Completely blind.
Blinded, and I can't touch my gas.
Yeah, just spin. Bunch of good laps.
With no manners, mask on, hoodie up, can't catch me sleeping. Move like a ghost while these lames still creeping. Rollie on the wrist, time frozen in the glitter. Pockets stay fat, boy, my wallet looking bigger. Money stacked tall like a mountain in the mist. Diamonds dance crazy, got 'em going fast. Roll through the city, whip sleep like a panther. Flexing on the track, no manners. Street lights flicker shadows play.
The craziest thing though, Berto just broke, what is it, your arm?
Yeah, he don't.
No, I didn't do it. He broke it.
He did it.
No,
he did it.
He broke it by himself.
Matter of fact, I came out of that drift.
No,
I came out of that drift just fine.
No, he broke it himself. He went over to it, drop kicked it, and decided to blame me for it, like I did it.
I don't know what happened, but alignment was no longer good, and I needed to fix that. So yeah.
Other than that, 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Oh yeah, I bet my frame rail too in the front.
I didn't do that.
Well, you bet my back one.
No, that was you, dude.
You grabbed me twice.
No,
I
don't know what you mean. That was you.
You clipped my bumper, and then you clipped my frame rail.
No, wasn't even me.
My quarter panel was pushed in.
Wasn't even me, bro. Prove it. Where's the video? It didn't happen. It didn't happen.
But,
other than Berto breaking his own shit by himself.
Everything was good.
Mad fun. Mad fun. Tried out the X-Comp tires. I really like those. I need 245 is what I learned. Fuck 235s. That's valid. That's valid. I love 265s is like perfect.
Well, yeah, but you're making how much horsepower?
3 something.
Yeah, I'm making 2.
Okay, valid. Valid. I still need to be more gripped up to get on you guys. Green bullied the shit out of me today. There's a bunch of videos of that.
I think
Where
everybody was bullying you.
I know, dude. I'm pretty sure I have everybody's paint and or wrap coloring on my damn car.
Get home safe, bro. Call me when you get home.
But be safe. What? Make it go up. Make it go up. It's not going up.
Shit.
The button's fucking broke.
It's a Dodge.
Well, the button's broke.
Yeah, I know. It's a Dodge.
Fuck. It's a Dodge. So, had a bunch of fun. I broke Green's front bumper. For sure.
You were just killing everybody.
You know what? Maybe you shouldn't drift with me. It's your fault.
I mean, I'm fine.
It's your
like
fault.
that settle lobbies, just like it costs money.
Absolutely worth it.
There
Mad
ain't no
fun.
reset button.
Yeah, I tried hitting it a few times, not even gonna lie. I'm like, oh no, wait.
Let me tell you something. Wait.
I looped it twice. Throughout the whole day, and that wasn't terrible, but I learned that I need to air down after.
I think I looked at 3 times today.
But it was during the rain, right? Or did you loop
we're
it?
not gonna talk about the fucking rain. That never happened. I started going out there doing 360s for fuck's sake.
Well, that being said, we'll have to do some more of these videos because this was pretty fun. All right, you take it easy, fuckers.
Type shit.
It's the night after the event. We drove the car to the track and back home. We dropped it off the night before and then ended up driving it home last night. And we weren't able to assess the damage yesterday because it was so dark when we got back home. So let's do a damage assessment and see where we're at. So overall, doesn't look too bad. Everything made it home. The car didn't have any crazy weird clunks or nothing, so I guess that's good. And from afar, it doesn't look too bad at all. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Here's a tappy tap from Green. Got some more door marks here. Everything's not looking too bad up here. X-Comp tires, 10 out of 10. They lasted me a copious amount of laps. This is the second set of them. And by the time I actually used them, it was raining. So they still have plenty of tread on them. And then we get over to the quarter panel. Another spot from Green. You get over to this door. Some more tire marks from Green. And then we have Green. Green. Green, 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 green. I know the color is red, but it's from green. 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 And green. We crumpled the front quarter panel. I looped it. And absolutely messed up. Well, actually, after reviewing the footage, Green grabbed my front tire, pulled me in, and I ripped off his front bumper, and he crumpled this front fender.
I didn't do fucking shit!
So, after I looped it, he came and gave me the 2 rear quarter panel marks. Caved in there, and caved in there. All in all, it was a mad fun event. I always love drifting with Green. Always love drifting with Berto. Still no video to prove or not whether I messed up Berto's car.
It's a made-up tale. It's a total fabrication. It never happened.
I'm pretty sure he drop kicked it. I'm not mad about it. That's him, even though he wants to blame me. So, 10 out of 10 USDC fun day was absolutely fun. Really cool and weird not flying, but it was nice to just be able to focus on driving. So, I'm looking forward to some more, and we'll see you guys next time.